Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Monday.com for cross-team collaboration, a crucial skill for any modern team. First up, we'll create your team's workspace. After logging in, go to the Workspaces tab on the left menu and select Create Workspace. Give it a name that's relevant to your project. This space is where your team's collaboration will happen, so make it count. Now that we've done that, let's set up your team. Go to Members and start inviting your teammates via their email addresses. You'll want everyone on the same page, and this step ensures they have access to the workspace. Next up is creating a board. Go to your workspace, click on New, then Board. This is where you'll map out your project. You can customize the board to suit your team's needs. The reason we do this is to have a visual representation of your project's tasks and progress. After setting up your board, it's time to assign tasks. Click on a blank space in the board, type a task, and assign it to a team member. This helps us because it makes sure everyone knows what they should be working on, increasing productivity and reducing confusion. Now let's add some deadlines. Click on the task, then Add Date. This crucial step keeps your project on track. Let me explain why this matters. Deadlines create a sense of urgency, helping your team stay focused and motivated. Lastly, don't forget about the Updates section. When you click the speech bubble icon on a task, you can add updates, ask questions, or leave comments. This is what's happening behind the scenes. It keeps the communication flowing and ensures everyone stays informed about the task status. And there you have it. You're now ready to rock cross-team collaboration on Monday.com. Remember, effective collaboration is key to any project's success, and Monday.com makes it easier. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.